My channel. This is another crypto video about PantherSwap, and in this short tutorial I just want to show you guys how to harvest your Panther that you've got from the farms into your wallet. As you can see on the screen, I have around 10 Panther to harvest, and in my wallet I only have 13 Panther. So you can either do it in two ways. You can harvest on the front page here, or you can go to the farms directly and harvest from there. So whichever you do, you just do that. So I'm currently farming from the Panther BNB farm, and let me go there and I try to harvest from there. So as you can see, my 10 BNB are already there. So if I'm to harvest, I just have to press the harvest button here. To bring the confirmation transaction page, and I will be charged only $0.9. So I approve it, and I have to wait. The 10 will have to go away, and it will be added into my ready Panther in the wallet. So the 10 has gone away. So if I'm to go back to the front page, my Panther in the wallet should have increased by, as you can see, so they are around now 23 Panther. So this Panther you can either swap them for BNB, or you can continue, you can put them in other pools and they produce for you more Panther. So that's how we harvest Panther from PancakeSwap. So guys, this platform is just gaining momentum. It is gaining momentum, as you can see. The value of Panther has increased. Now it is $1.582. It had gone down to 1.2. So for those of you who want a good passive income, I'm leaving the link in the description of the video. Free click on that link, and also there are some tutorials to help you get started. This is not a get rich fast scheme. It will take time, and for those of you who got started in PancakeSwap, you know where it started from and where it is at the moment. So people who are farming in PancakeSwap are already getting a good passive income, so I wouldn't like you guys to miss this one. So they have an active Twitter account. As you can see, this is a Twitter account. It has got over 23,000 people followers, and they just posted this 2 hours ago. How fast is a Panther? It is faster than you think. 0.32 billion total value locked. So if we can check on the site now, we can as well see that. Let me go to home. At the bottom here, this thing is growing like crazy. 325 million. Oh yeah, $325 million total value locked in the platform. So this thing is not going anywhere. It is just growing massively every day. So I would suggest you guys to start farming Panther in this platform. All the tutorials are in the description. I've been making them over the days, and you enjoy the ride as well. The market cap is for 48 million. As you can see, these are the details. You can take a look at them when you log in. Remember to use a dApps browser. Me personally, I'm using a Trust Wallet, but you can also use a MetaMask. There is no problem with using that. So guys, that is how we farm, or we harvest the Panther. They also have an active Telegram channel. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Feel free to click on it and enjoy the ride. So guys, that's it. I'll see you in the next video. If you have anything, you can comment in the comment section. I'll be able to reach out to you guys in case you need any help in anything about starting in PantherSwap. So guys, that's it. See you in the next video.